What's up, YouTube? Do you need to purchase a vacuum for fine particulate and dust? Maybe even drywall dust? Do you want to couple it with something like this Porter Cable automatic sander? Or are you going to be sanding by hand, but you need something that's going to be able to pick up that fine particulate and not get clogged like immediately? Well, today, we got a solution for you. Stay tuned. So what we found as a less expensive option to very expensive dust extractor units is to go with a Ridgid shop vac. You see these Ridgid vacs pretty much on every construction job site across the country, maybe even the world. I mean, if it's orange, it's Ridgid, it's a vacuum cleaner, people are using them. Why? Because they're good. They run good, they last a long time. The one problem that we found with the Ridgid shop vacs is the filtering system. If you're using this vacuum to pick up stuff, fine particulate or drywall dust, you'll know that this paper filter, and they have all different levels of filter, different micron size filter. So this is a standard paper filter. They have filters that are rated all the way up to HEPA, I believe. So they have a filter for your situation. So keep that in mind. But if you're using this to vacuum up like concrete dust, drywall dust, these paper filters can get clogged fairly quickly and the vacuum stops sucking. And if you got a vacuum that don't suck, it's a big problem. But we found a solution to this problem of getting this paper filter to last a lot longer. And here it is. We couple our vacuum cleaner with its filter with one of these high efficiency dry pickup dust bags. Yeah, you know, they ride on the shelf there at your orange big box. They're next to the vacuum cleaners. Why you guys don't pick them up, I don't understand. It don't make any sense to me. I don't know exactly what retail is on this pack. I mean, it can't be more than 10 bucks for a 2-pack, I think. But what we'll do is we'll price check it and nickel put like, you know, correction, this 2-pack is $15. But what you do is you get this Ridgid pickup dust bag, you pop it into your unit. Now this is important. Make sure that you have a Ridgid shop vac that is compatible with the pickup bags. Some of the older units might not be compatible with the bag. So all you'll do is you'll open your shop vac up, okay? You'll take your lid off. And I'm gonna tell you, there's a lot of life left in this paper filter, but I'll let you take a look in here. And this bag has got a lot of life left in it as well. So all you would do is you take your high efficiency dust bag, you'd open it up, okay? You see the inlet, okay? You drop this bag down into the shop vac. As you can see, the bottom of this shop vac is pretty much empty, okay? All of that dust and debris goes into the bag instead of the shop vac, okay? How easy it is to install this? You knock that in, boom. You pop it on to the inlet on the vac side, okay? And as you can see, I mean, that's all drywall dust in here. And the filter is still pretty much brand new. So all you do is drop that bag in, pop it on all the way. There's almost like a rubber gasket on these bags. You'll hear it snap on to this ridge. You seeing this ridge here? There's a ridge here. You snap that bag right onto that ridge, locks in place, boom. If you wanted to make this a HEPA vac, all you do, okay, you would swap this out for a HEPA a HEPA type vacuum filter, okay? So any level of air purification, I don't know what you would call it. Any level of air filtering is possible up to the HEPA level. So all you do is pop off your unit, you put on a HEPA style filter that you would get at your big box store, and then you just pop it on. Boom. You're ready to pick up the sanding dust, concrete dust, if you're grinding, whatever it is, you're able to use this vacuum as a dust solution. And your paper filter will last a whole lot longer. So with that, if you need an inexpensive dust collection solution, go check out the Ridgid Shop Vac that is compatible with these high efficiency dry pickup dust bags. Couple it with a new paper filter, you got a winning combination that's highly affordable. And if you like winning combinations that are highly affordable from guys that use these tools and know that they work, smash that like button. If you like our content, you like our style, and you like our channel, get subscribed. Make sure you make sure you crack that bell notification. This way, when we go live, and we do go live very often, like at least once a day, we publish videos at least once a day, and we do giveaways all the time. Crack that bell notification, let freedom ring, but you'll be getting notified of all that activity here on the channel. With that, I want to say, thanks a lot, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it saves you some money. Hope it makes you more effective. Whether you're a contractor, DIYer, we hope this helps you. I want to say thanks a lot and have a great day. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot and have a great day, guys.